This is Penguin Watch. What to know about penguins and their environment. The goal of Penguin Watch is to count penguin adults, chicks, and eggs in faraway lands such as the Antarctica to help us understand their lives and their environment. During the Citizen Science Project, I observed 7 types of penguins. These include Gentoo, Adelie, Macaroni, Rockhopper, King, Magellanic, and Chinstrap. Starting off with the Gentoo penguins. Gentoo penguins are foragers, and they usually eat shrimp and krill. They are the least threatened species of all of the penguins that I had watched. They are found in many areas, such as snowy and rocky land, and they usually lay 2 eggs, and they build their nest from pebbles and soil. Next are the Adelie penguins, which are one of 2 true Antarctic species, the other one being the emperor penguin. Typically, they will lay 2 eggs and build their nests from pebbles. Next one is the Macaroni penguin, which is the most numerous penguin species. They were named by sailors after an 18th century fashion style called macaroni. Typically, they lay 2 eggs, and they nest in the ground surrounded by pebbles. Next are the Rockhopper penguins. They typically live in rocky areas, and they are one of the smallest penguin species. Since they are so small, they are usually prey to multiple animals, including kelp gull and sheathbill. Next are the king penguins, who typically lay 1 egg, but their breeding cycle lasts through the entire year, which makes them unique from other penguins. Typically, we can see chicks being raised all at the same time, this meaning that a chick who was just born can be raised at the same time as a chick who is 3 years old. These penguins don't make nests, and they actually incubate their young under their feet in a brood pouch. Next are the Magellanic penguins. The adults have black backs and 2 black bands over their chest. Their head is black with a white band that runs from the back of the eyes around the ears and chin and joins at the throat. Magellanic penguins eat sprats and anchovies, and they are classified as a threatened species. This is due to all the oil spills in their environment. Typically, they'll lay 2 eggs, and they nest in burrows or bushes. Finally is the chinstrap penguin. They lay 2 eggs, and they nest from mud, and they are brush-tailed penguins. They have white fronts with black straps over their chins and black head top and back. Chicks are usually gray with no black feathers or straps over their chins. Next thing we're going to talk about is the environments of these penguins. In the project, I discovered that penguins can live in different habitats, whether that's muddy, snowy, rocky, or icy. This is a muddy environment, which can help with nutrients for food and also where penguins can build their nests. Next is a snowy environment, which helps insulate their body temperature and their feathers. Next is the rocky environment, which acts as protection for them. They can build their nests and easily travel around in them. Finally is an icy environment, which helps with the penguins' easy travel. Other finds of penguins, including nesting grounds, and this is a picture of nesting grounds where penguins lay their eggs. And also, some of the penguins share different living spaces with the snowy sheathbill, a beluga whale, and the mule deer. Thank you for listening. And this is the site where you too can help Penguin Watch.